Hi, I'm Jasmine. Welcome to Life Between Flights. This is a space to slow down and appreciate the world outside of our 9 to 5. Here, I'll be sharing my travels, honest reviews, and the everyday moments that make life feel full. I'm a mom and a wife, but I'm also someone who's learning to enjoy what's real beyond the scroll and beyond the noise. If you're looking for a calm, joy, and a little bit of inspiration to explore more, I think you're in the right place. I'd love for you to join my journey, so don't forget to like and subscribe and stay a while. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, so it's Jasmine, and today I'm in front of the camera. I wanted to first sit down and tell you a bit about this video. I'm sharing my stay in Bangkok, Thailand, where we are staying at 2 different hotels that are completely different vibes, in my opinion. Now, here's the walkthrough at my stay at Hyatt Regency in Bangkok. I hope you enjoy. Come on in. Welcome to Hyatt Regency Executive Suite. Follow me. So, this is the living room, which has been nicely prepared for Marcel and I. Let me show you our views. These all open automatically, okay? So, here's view 1. View 2. Don't forget the TV behind me. A nice table for our room service dinner that we're having tonight. Let me take you outside. This is a private balcony for us. Catch the views. Very nice. It's a little warm out there. We're back inside now. This is bathroom number 1. Welcome. Private. Nice. These are all of the switches, which does everything automatically. Phase 2. Our king bed, very comfy. TV, more views, okay. All of the curtains are automatic. A little makeup vanity seat. More views. Nice walk-in closet. You see how my voice just echoes? Very large. Full-length mirror, which we need. Another full-length mirror. Mirror. 2 sinks. Everything that I need. Face soap. A lovely soaking tub. More views. Can you beat this? No! Rainfall shower. Again, very nice. And then our second bathroom, which you cannot beat the views. Look, come in here, Macho. Look, while you're using the bathroom, okay? I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you so much for following me as I gave you a tour of the executive suite at the Hyatt Regency, which is beautiful location, okay? I suggest everyone come here. We're having so much fun. Thanks, and I'll catch you again soon. Now, the Park Hyatt was a completely different vibe, okay? The Park Hyatt was giving quiet, luxury, elevated, calm. Still equally as nice, but definitely on the quiet, luxury vibe style. Come on in. Welcome to our Park Hyatt Executive Suite. I'll show you around. This is the half bath as soon as you come in for guests who might be visiting. A table, of course, for when Marshall and I order room service because we are celebrating. living room. Refrigerator, fully stocked. Freezer, fully stocked. Let me close it. Oops, okay. Of course, we have a cabinet full of anything and everything we might need, plus drinks at the top for Marshall if he so chooses. And Marshall, get the view. Slow and steady wins the race. They welcomed us with a mango lime tart. Those are not. And fresh flowers. Ooh. And this is our view. I must say, very, very nice. This is the pool underneath us. No one is enjoying right now, but that's okay. King bed, lounging chase, screen TV, vanity for hair I will not be doing, pocket door, luggage, closet, privacy, soaking tub, very, very big. I might even take a bath, and I never take baths, especially in hotels. Bath salt, Listerine. I don't know if you know me, but if you do, you know I love Lavabo. Toilet. And come in here, Marshall, let me show you. About 10 people can fit in here. I'm joking. And that's it for our room tour. So both were really good, just in different ways. The Hyatt Regency felt warm and comfortable, cozy, very nice, very nice and fun and full of energy. The Park Hyatt felt very grounded and intentional and quiet. So if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. I'll be posting new videos every other week. So if you like this one, feel free to subscribe. Let's build a community around travel and seeing the world and just being kind to one another, and through everything that everyone is going through, just enjoying it, just meeting people. So definitely let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed. I genuinely want to know what your travel style is. Thanks. See you in 2 weeks. Bye.